May is the month when the Queen of Queens, former Miss World Aishwarya Rai, not only takes over the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival but also ensnares with her bewitching beauty. Whenever you take the name of Cannes Film Festival, the first thing that comes to our mind immediately is Aishwarya Rai. In this video, we shall be taking a flashback ride to curate my 10 favorite looks from the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival, which Aishwarya Rai flaunted with gaiety and elegance. If you are visiting this channel for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon besides it so you never miss out on any new video I'll be posting further. Now let's get started. Hey, what's up you lovely people, I am Vagisha Mishra. If you are looking out for the reviews, updates and scoops of beauty pageant, you are at the right place. Aishwarya Rai marked her debut at the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival in 2002 after her blockbuster hit movie Devdas. Now I will come to that look once I start unfolding my bucket list, but I have seen fashion police going crazy behind Aishwarya Rai, saying that she does not experiment with a lot of fashion designers and she sticks to the traditional kind of designs which lead to a meh fashion experience. Yet I do believe that Aishwarya Rai can get dressed in a tee and still manage to turn heads. My number 10 favorite is the year 2007 when Aishwarya Rai wore a white strapless ruched gown with a diamond choker by Giorgio Armani. The very first time that Aishwarya Rai was attending the Cannes Film Festival after her wedding, and we did see her walking with all gaiety with her husband Abhishek Bachchan on the red carpet. Although the overall look is quite simple, if you observe the eye makeup, it gives a very glamorous touch to the beauty. The nude lipstick just makes her look all the more alluring without trying too hard. My number 9 favorite is from the year 2016 when Aishwarya Rai wore a beaded cape coat gown from Ali Units. Aishwarya Rai looked completely resplendent in this look, and to go with this look she had lined her upper eyelid with a bold turquoise blue liner, combining it with a smoky blue eyeshadow and bold lashes, and a killer red lip shade that just slayed everyone on the red carpet. She styled her hair in loose waves and kept the rest of the makeup nude and luminous, which is why I think it was a glamorous but not over the top look despite of all the shimmer and glaze. My number 8 favorite is year 2010 when Aishwarya Rai wore a black strapless Armani coat gown. I think Aishwarya completely stole the show with this look at the red carpet of Cannes Film Festival. She added a dash of color with her red lipstick. Although the look again looks simple, sober and not too loud, it is screaming glamour in every sense. Truly celestial. Now my number 7 favorite is none other than her debut look at the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival, wherein she wore a yellow sari by Nita Lulla. This look drew criticism from fashion police for being overtly accessorized with gold embellishments. I personally believe this vibrant yellow sari not only showcases the rich heritage of India being rooted in the culture, but also makes her look who she actually is. Her individuality in this look is sustained, and she doesn't look like a model who is made to wear the majestic design where the attire takes all the attention. The attention with this look remains on her. So my number 6 favorite is the year 2004 wherein Aishwarya Rai again wore Nita Lulla's design for the third consecutive time, but this time it was not a sari but a fine evening. With this look, Aishwarya stepped up her game and she was decked up with fine silver embellishments to go with this look. She completed her look with chopard jewelry and permed hair, and she was very much criticized by the fashion police yet again for being consecutively stuck to Nita Lulla, but I think she did a pretty amazing job with this. Now my number 5 favorite is the year 2015 wherein Aishwarya Rai made a beautiful, astonishingly amazing red carpet appearance in a turquoise color Elie Saab gown. which she paired with De Grisgano's jewelry. It seems like Aishwarya doesn't seem to age, she only gets better and bolder with every passing year. This year was again a very good one for Aishwarya Rai as she looked completely mesmerizing in this beautiful gown. Now my number 4 favorite is again a beautiful look which was given by Elie Saab in the subsequent year in 2016. This beautiful gown when paired with bold matte lipstick was 10 on 10 to show the real grandeur the name Aishwarya Rai itself possesses. She looks gorgeous, sexy and at the same time very captivating. Now coming to my number 3 favorite look of Aishwarya Rai at the red carpet of Cannes. Now how on earth can we forget this beautiful design by Michael Cinso in year 2018. Now this is the most experimental look which Aishwarya Rai ever tried on the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival. From the vibrant colors to makeup to overall exuberance, this look and this evening gown by Michael Cinso does complete justice to the magnificence associated with the name of the Queen. This jaw-dropping fully embroidered gown in the hues of violet, blue and pink took over 3000 hours or let's say 125 plus days to create. It involved intricate threadwork and Swarovski crystals along with multi-use crystals stitched together to give the ornate butterfly effect. This is one of the best look ever and I would have gladly put it at number 1, for which you have to wait. My second most favorite look of Aishwarya Rai at the red carpet of Cannes is from the year 2017 when she again wore Michael Cinso's gown and she completely looked like she stepped outside a fairy tale. With her hair focused straight and loose, her subtle makeup paired with dark hued lips, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan looked every inch a royal princess at the 17th annual Cannes Film Festival. She wore a floor-sweeping powder blue ballroom gown and pulled off the look like a pro in the stunning off-shoulder gown. Fitted from the waist and flowing out into a ballroom dress with a plunging neckline. This gown also did justice to her body type, making her look regal and royal without trying too hard. And finally, we are at this point of the video where I will be disclosing my number 1 favorite from the red carpet looks of Aishwarya Rai at the Cannes Film Festival. So, what do you think it is? It is none other than the year 2014 when Aishwarya Rai actually donned Roberto Cavalli's masterpiece. Now, as I said while discussing my number 3 favorite, discussing Michael Cinso's butterfly creation, that it could easily surpass to be number 1 look of all the red carpet appearances which Aishwarya Rai has shown till date. But I still believe that this look tops the list because she looks completely and quintessentially herself in this very look. Now when I keep referring to Aishwarya as Queen of Queens, I simply do not say this without a reason. If you look at this appearance, you will know her eyes, her smile seems to be talking to the audience and she looks more like herself. Gorgeous would be an understatement while describing Ash beauty in the strapless crisscross pattern waist clinching gown that featured a mermaid silhouette. Cascading curls and bright red lips made her look every inch the Greek goddess she is. So these were my favorite looks. I would also love to hear which are your favorite looks, so drop down your favorites in the comments below. Also don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos so make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss out on any trending topic. Until then, I will see you soon with a new video. Much love.